Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Actually something that's getting increasingly more and more rare because of the chip shortage that is taking the automotive world by storm. White Frost Tricoat over jet black 6.2 liter V8 under the hood as part of the Denali Ultimate Package. 10-speed automatic. Good amount of room. Drill cubby. Taught the salesman that you can kick that. Now you can access the bed. Just kick it again. 6-way adjustable tailgate. Don't feel like dropping the whole one down because then I'll have to readjust the plate. For some odd reason, when the 6.2 liter is breaking in, the exhaust I mean, so for the first 50 miles you'll get some weird smells out of the exhaust from the coating. The 6.2s always smell like pretzels. Like Snyder's pretzels, the hard ones that you had in elementary school. Yeah, that's what these smell like. It's the weirdest thing. And every single time I'm like, I want some pretzels. It took me forever to realize where I remember that smell from. Yeah, Snyder's pretzels. Oh yeah. Now that's just a result of, whatever coating was on the exhaust or whatever coming up to temperature, but this one has 26 miles on it, so it still has a little bit of time before the smell completely goes away. Backing on up. Alright, go ahead, turn downhill descent control on. Now it's riding the brakes for me, 9-degree slope, using the brakes to go ahead and control our descent. To go ahead, disengage it, you can press the gas. Or just press the button. Man, it's been a while since I've driven a new one of these. Probably been about 6 months since I've had the chance to drive one. Actually, no. It's probably been about 8 to 9 months. And I definitely missed the opportunity. So I'm glad I got to drive this one before it sold. Because with my luck, it's probably going to sell this afternoon. The Yukon I drove today, that one's already sold. That one sold about 30 minutes after I got back with it. So, I'm either good luck or bad luck. It's one of the two. I'm saying I'm good luck. Because each and every time, it's either the key I have on me, because I typically have 2 keys, the one I'm reviewing now and next. So it's either the one that I have the key for will sell, or the one I just put back sells. It's pretty much how it's been. Looks like we're finally getting some souls in. What's so weird is those things are flying off the lot. They're nice little cars, but I really honestly forgot how nice these things are to drive. It's just comfortable. It's been a long day. It really has. I think this is probably my 10th or 11th vehicle, if not more than that. You know, and after a while, it just everything starts to blend together. But glad I got. It was so weird because right as I was about to grab the key, they're like, "Oh, you want to go?" They said to one of the sales guys, "Hey, can you go for a test drive along for the test drive and all that?" And I'm like, "Oh, great, it's gonna sell." Brings it back and it's like, "All right, I think I'm gonna go buy a Ram instead." I'm like, "All right, cool." I'm sitting here like, "Yes, I get to drive it." Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.